Want to know how to add validation to your code in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you've opened up, make sure you have opened any file. So I have this code written right here. It's a small code and I want to add validation to it. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So once I've done that, here you can just simply select this entire code right here, force up, select Ctrl+A, and now as you can see right here, our code has been selected. So once that is done, just simply select Ctrl+K, which will open up the editor tab, and you need to just simply type in this. And then just simply select enter once you have done the prompt, and once you have done that, you should be given this result right here after the code has been generated. So you can just simply select keep in order to keep the entire code, and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. So as you can see right here, our code has been finished as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.